Hey there, and welcome to today's edition of the Daily Market Rundown, where we bring you the latest developments shaping industries and markets. We have got some major updates today, from Biocon Biologics' game-changing insulin partnership in the US to RBI's latest crackdown on gold loans, a massive expansion by Blue Star, and Coromandel International's big move in the fertilizer industry. So let's dive right in. Starting with Biocon Biologics, a subsidiary of the Indian biopharmaceutical giant Biocon, has teamed up with Civica, a US-based non-profit drug manufacturer, to make insulin aspart more accessible and affordable for American patients. With insulin pricing skyrocketing in the US, many diabetic patients struggle to afford life-saving medication. Under the partnership, Biocon Biologics will supply insulin aspart, a rapid-acting insulin used to control blood sugar, while Civica will handle manufacturing and distribute it at lower costs. The move is expected to shake up the US insulin market, currently dominated by big pharma companies like Novo Nordisk, Sanofi, and Eli Lilly. It also strengthened Biocon's presence in the American market, reinforcing its commitment to tackling global healthcare challenges. Shifting focus to the Reserve Bank of India, the central bank has proposed stricter regulations for gold loans, a move that could impact borrowers significantly. Gold loan demand has surged by 50% since September 2024, outpacing overall loan growth in India, largely driven by festive and wedding-related purchases by Indians. With the RBI tightening norms on unsecured loans, gold loans have become a more attractive option for many borrowers. However, the new draft guidelines emphasize stricter scrutiny, requiring banks and non-banks to conduct rigorous background checks to verify gold ownership and closely monitor the end use of funds. Additionally, some lenders were found to be auctioning gold without informing defaulting borrowers. The RBI's new guidelines will enhance transparency in gold valuation and pricing, requiring banks to disclose the methodology for assessing gold purity and value. Meanwhile, air conditioning giant Blue Star has announced a massive Rs 400 crore investment to expand its manufacturing capacity by FY26. The company plans to invest Rs 200 crore to boost its Sri Lanka plant production capacity from 8.5 lakh to 12 lakh room air conditioners. Additionally, Rs 53 crores will be invested in a commercial freezers unit near Mumbai, while Rs 150 crore will go towards expanding commercial air conditioner manufacturing in Himachal Pradesh. With demand for air conditioners soaring due to severe heat waves, Blue Star expects its AC business to grow 30% in Q1 FY26, following an impressive 50% growth in FY25. The company's market share in the room air conditioner segment is expected to rise from 13.7% to 14.25% by FY26. And finally, Coromandel International, a leading agri-solutions provider, has doubled its sulphur fertilizer production capacity from 25,000 MT to 50,000 MT with the inauguration of its second manufacturing plant in Visakhapatnam. This fully backward integrated facility is equipped with advanced German technology that enables the fortification of sulphur fertilizer with multiple micronutrients, addressing soil deficiencies in India. Sulphur is essential for plant growth, playing a crucial role in protein synthesis and enzyme function. With increasing sulfur deficiency in India's soils due to intensive cropping, Coromandel's expansion aims to provide affordable and sustainable nutrients solution to enhance soil health and maximize crop yields. This investment highlights the company's commitment to sustainable agriculture and technological advancement in the agri-solution industries. And that's a wrap on today's biggest updates. From Biocon's push for affordable insulin to RBI's gold loan clampdown, Blue Star's ambition expansion, and Coromandel's effort to boost soil health, there's a lot of happening across industries. Stay tuned for more insights and don't forget to like, share and subscribe for your daily market updates. See you in the next one.